To make group chat on Snapchat. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to create a group chat in Snapchat app. After you open up your Snapchat, now before you open the Snapchat, go to your Play Store and App Store and update your Snapchat app. After you update your Snapchat, now go back and open the Snapchat. Now here is my Snapchat account. Now tap on this chat section. So in this chat section, now you can be able to see all your friends. So all you have to do now, if you want to create a group, now tap on this. As you can see, now tap on this little blue icon, just one. After you tap on this blue icon, now tap on this new group. So tap on this section, new group name, to type in the name of the group. So after you type in the name of your group like this, now you can tap on this. As you can see now, to select the member of the group, here is all your friends. So I'll just go and select just 2 people. You can select more than 2 people. After you finish selecting your friends, you can tap on this chat with group. So as you can see now, here is now the people that I add on the group. If you want to add another member in the group, you can tap on this add member. So it will give you you can go ahead and search for the people you want to add in this session. So after you finish adding your people, you can go ahead now and just message the people like this. Now here is the message that I sent. If I tap on this back arrow, as you can see now, here is the group that I just created. Here is the group. That's it guys on how to make a group in Snapchat. If you want to access your group, after you open your Snapchat, just tap on this chat button. You can see your group. Here is it now. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.